Hello friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks. And today I'm going to talk about Garware Technicals Fibers. It can go 5x from here. I'll make you understand why I feel so bullish about the stock and what lies ahead for the company. So let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation and people taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about Garware Tech, here's a small request that kindly support me on Patreon, and once you do that, it will help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions and eke out answers in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and number of podcasts that I put up from time to time. And also, if you pay $100 upfront, you get 1 year access by paying for 10 months, so that's a 15-20% discount. For detailed market talk or a number of stocks you're holding, you can directly email me and we can work things out with a fee. As far as the company is concerned, established in 1976, it is a leader in the new age fishing nets, and it has global presence with customers spread across 75 countries. A small cap company with customers globally and which exports globally is and has remained as market leader is one of its class kind of a company. R&D unit recognized by the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, and the market cap of the company is 7,000 crore, and this is the most appealing part that I see in this stock, that the market cap with such a business is extremely small. Awarded the Star Export House status for many years, a number of years consecutively, they got award for the same, and it has done well for the shareholders over the last 5-7 years. If you look at the financials, these are Q1 FY22 numbers versus FY21. We have seen sales surge by around 60% and profit jump by around 78% to 41 crores versus 23 crores. You had sales of 243 crores, which tells me that they are going to do above 1000 crore sales, around 1200 crore sales. So it is merely trading at 5-6 times sales at the moment. A decent promoter and institutional holding. There is debt, but the debt is low, and the return on equity of 20%, margins of around 20% is very decent for such a business which has gone through a real turmoil over the last 2 years and is coming back into shape. So it has done extremely well over this period of time. It is just that once things open up completely, you will see the business prosper even further. If you look at the stock performance, the stock has been a 40x in the last 7 years. It has done extremely well from being probably a 150 200 crore market cap company, something like that. It has been a tremendous journey for the company. People talk of Avanti Feeds, people talk of a lot of companies that have become 100x. This is one of the company that is on its way to becoming 100x or so. So if it doubles from here and becomes 150% from here, it will become 100x from the time that I mentioned, 2013-14. It has been a tremendous performer, and I believe that being a market leader would continue to do so. People will think, or investors may think, especially retail investors, that it is expensive, it has gone up a lot, so why would it go up? But I'll explain the points later on in this presentation. It had fallen 30% in the March 2020 fall, and from there on in, the recovery has been very sharp. And fund houses have been buying, FII DIIs have been buying, large investors have been buying the stock, and it surged around 70% in the last 1 year. That is just testament to the fact that how much people revere the stock, as much as it has performed, and trading at around 27 times forward earnings, which is not very expensive considering that it has been growing 35-40% CAGR. So it could easily trade at 50-60 times earnings, but it is trading at, if you look at FY23 earnings, it is trading at 25-27 times. So why I believe it can be a multi-bagger even from here. So if you go back, it is still has been a 5-8x over the last 2-3 years. Over the last 3 years, it has been 7-8x. But I still believe it can be 4-5x from here. It has leadership in the fishing nets up to near monopoly. So it is kind of a monopoly business into this segment, and this business will only do well when things completely open up globally, and we are not far away from that. And that is why I'm looking at businesses which could really do well once things open up completely, rather than looking at businesses which is into, say, healthcare, hospitals, etc. We have talked about it since 2020, early part of it, when I was discussing about the pandemic, etc. But we have to look beyond. We have to be very positive about the things going forward. And once economy revives, this business is going to do even well. And this is the market leader in this segment, which is a small cap. A demand to surge once things normalize, as I have mentioned, and PE re-rating is on the anvil. So if those who are on Patreon would understand, and those who would have watched my videos closely, I look at companies where PE re-rating is possible, where there is value available with respect to the price to earning that is given by the market. Here there is a clear case of a doubling of the PE going forward as we go along, and we could see it trade at 50-55 times earnings on FY23 FY24 basis. So I'm not saying it's going to become 5x immediately, but even from 3000 levels, we can see a 5x returns over the next 5-6 years. You will see that happening over next 4-5 years. And we are here on this channel. I have always talked about long term investment. This is one of the better smaller companies that you can gradually accumulate for that kind of a return. We can see further fund buying if there is a sharper decline in the market, and small market cap, but business has a leadership. So that is the thing. For the business itself, the market cap is extremely small, and that is why I like this company altogether. It is in a high growth segment, and this growth is only going to propel, as I have explained. Once things completely open up, they are able to export to all the countries that they were doing in 2018-19. You will see the business even grow further, and they'll definitely make more clients, and have more, you can say, innovation in their products going forward as well. The management is top class. If you look at the technicals, then the stock has remained strong even in sluggish economy. It has done extremely well, and that just tells you as to how undervalued the company has been. The short-term support is around 3000. The stock is around 3300 or so. You can start accumulating from here, buy in big bulk around 3000, 2800. I don't see the stock falling a lot below 2800. It is in a strong uptrend and looks very good on long term charts. I think 4200 is my first target on the stock in probably in 18 months time, and then you will see it surge even further once things really pick up, and numbers begin to turn big time. So wait for either sharp declines to enter, or you can start accumulating now at these levels and on declines to 3000 levels, and it may continue to outperform. So what will happen is, if you don't buy here, you'll wait for declines. It would go to 36, 3700, and then you'll feel left out, and a lot of retail investors are feeling left out in this stock. I believe the consolidation phase from a short term point of view is probably over in the stock, and we could see more surges in the stock going forward. So what you can do is buy at current market price and on declines to 3000 levels. Those will be very good levels to buy into. Do not enter in just one tranche. Do not enter just immediately just buying into it. What you can do is just have 4 or 5 tranches with you, and start buying 20-25% now, and on declines or an upsurge keep on accumulating. I think it can easily double from here in 2 years. So 4200 within 12-15 months, and I see 6000 on the stock in 2 years time. Numbers should surge from FY23. So as I have explained, as things normalize, numbers will keep on surging. So this is my video on Gawari Tech. Please like and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon.